And I was just curious, and we're gonna see how I could integrate this. But at the same time, I don't know why I buy stuff that I feel I'm gonna end up using for work, and then never end up using it for work. But I still keep it. So, but this I think I could play with. So it is the Nebula by Anker uh, projector. Hey Marcus, how you doing? So new toy. It's a projector. It's only 1080, but it's got Android built in, and it's small. I mean, this is the whole box, and it's supposed to have an HDMI connection. So we're gonna open it up and take a quick look. But considering what we do, my plan is to probably use this with like a monitor out. So if you think about it, rather than having it go to another monitor, like a confidence monitor, where you can see the whole production. If I'm in a small auditorium, and again, my thought was more towards work. We got some training coming up. If I could connect my MacBook Pro to this, and rather than streaming, just use the Ecamm monitor output, monitoring, I could display this on the wall, and it should be about 100 inches. So let me get my blade. And even if I don't use it for work or for anything else, it's going to be my big screen in my bedroom. And it might be a good reason to clean out my bedroom. If I could fit this and do a nice setup fit. And I don't remember the price, but it wasn't insane. Some of these were, 4K laser, all that stuff. They were getting to like the thousands. And I'm like, nah. I believe it was under 300. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, shoot. There's a little tab here. That's cute. All right. This is pretty thick. I'm wondering if it's a case to carry. Oh my God, this thing is so small. Wow. I like it because it's supposed to be portable, but geez, this is tiny. I was not expecting this to be this small. And I do see an HDMI. I'm kind of curious. I'm half blind here. I wonder if that's yeah, that's got to be a full HDMI. And then there's another thing here. Can't tell exactly what it is, but maybe that's for power or something. We'll see when I get into it. I mean, it's got a little bit of a weight. It has some threading for you could probably put it on a tripod, so we might try that. What else is in the box? I'm assuming there should be some cables. So far, I think it's pretty freaking cute. All right, I see some batteries. So if these batteries are actually for the device, I'm going to be a little because I was hoping it had a built-in rechargeable. So I got a few cables here. I'm going to be a little disappointed if these batteries are for the device and it's not actually like a little remote control or something. I mean, it's got a power outlet too. I mean, a little brick, so you should be able to plug it in. Maybe they're rechargeable batteries. So, I mean, it's small. I'm gonna take this little cover off the lens here. I mean, I guess I could plug it in so I could figure out how to deal with the batteries and everything. I mean, I see plus and minus. That's probably the volume. I'm guessing one of these is power. I mean, I'm a little confused with the batteries. Ooh, something happened. Ooh, it lit up. Look. You can see it over there in the corner. Oh, look. It wants me to set it up. I wonder. Let me check this box again because it's making me think this thing should have like a remote. Yeah, there's a remote. Jesus. Why didn't I see the remote? The remote's probably stuck in this thing. I knew it was weird that it's got... Yeah. This isn't no packaging. This is the remote and stuff. I thought it was like a carrying little bag or something. It's a long remote. It's a little remote. Take the remote out. That's what you get for not looking in every little box. The device itself does have a built-in battery, and that's probably where the weight comes from. That and the speakers. Batteries are on. Oh, there it goes. You can see it moving. I gotta find a better wall. Bluetooth speaker mode. And finish. Agree and continue. Oh, darn. The thing got Netflix and everything already on it. It's Android. Amazon, YouTube, Netflix, a couple other things. Let me see what happens if I try to connect the phone. So I'm going to open up the phone to the app. Nebula Connect would like to use... Here, hold on. I'm such a professional at this, no one can tell what I'm doing. So it says it wants to use Bluetooth. I'm going to say okay. I'm going to accept. I believe I just have the capsule. Yeah, capsule. It's looking for it. It found it. They're connecting. Slide, what? Slide to move, tap to confirm, 2 fingers for, what is it they're talking about? Why did my camera just go out? Oh, it's letting me control the volume. I guess I could go home. That's weird. It looks like a trackpad type thing. Why did my camera go out? I'm having little camera issues here. There we go. That was weird. Yeah, it looks like a goofy little trackpad thing, and I like the remote better, I'll be honest with you. But I keep forgetting I have to point the remote at the projector. So, yeah. So, again, just wanted to do a quick video. It got a lot longer than I thought, and then I got crazy cables laying all over the place from me ripping things out because I thought I had to plug it in, and apparently the batteries are for the remote control, and yeah. And then I killed all my lights. Alexa, turn on studio. How about this one? How about Alexa, turn on studio? I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna play around with this thing. I'm gonna try to connect it to the Mac. Try to use it as another monitor. That way I could. I'm gonna play with it with the laptop. That way I could stream the Ecamm production. So